Hello, my name is Albert. In this video, I'll be taking you through section 9 of the Empowering Educators Bootcamp organized by STEMpedia, the bootcamp that seeks to teach educators Python, AI, and machine learning and robotics. In this section, we actually learned about an ML platform that is in Pictoblox. You can get this platform if you have the new or the latest version of Pictoblox installed. So to move into this ML environment, you just have to click on File, then you open up your ML environment, then you create a project in here. Already, I have a project running, so I'll go back to I'll open it here. Okay, so you can see the project is telling me to take some time. Yes, so this is how Pictoblox ML environment looks like. So in here you upload your samples of pictures. So in this project, we want our ML, we want to train our machine to identify cancerous lungs and healthy lungs. So these are a number of 40 image samples of a healthy lung that we've uploaded. To upload, you just click on the upload button here and you could upload images. So from here into our first set of samples, then so you could add more classes, but here we are only comparing two variables or two things: cancerous cells and non-cancerous, cancerous lungs and non-cancerous lungs or healthy lungs. So we upload 40 samples of healthy lungs and 72 image samples of cancer lungs. Now after that, you click here to train the model. So it takes some time. That is why I'm not doing it. It takes a very long time depending on the CPU of your machine and the programs running at the background. So with this, our model has trained itself. You can see it said training complete. So you will now test the model here by turning on your webcam here. I think it's taking some time, and testing by uploading. Okay, so I think it's detecting some images there of cancerous lungs. Let me try and get some images from my drive, images of cancerous and non-cancerous lungs. Okay, so I'm trying to use my phone to test. So I have my image of a lung here. Let's see what it will detect. Sometimes it depends on the clarity of your camera. I think my camera is not so clear as it gets close. So I think all this depends on your camera, but I think it's detecting it as 90, 91, 80% cancerous. So I think if the image gets clearer, so if it gets clearer, it could. Okay, my screen is off. If it gets clearer, it could detect. But the point is, you could also export the model into your Python environment. So let's wait while it exports. Yeah, so we have the code here in exported, so you could run your code from here. So for now, let me save this code. So let's say cancer lungs. ML activity. Yeah. So you could run your code here. So I'm going to run my code here. And let's see what it will say. It will turn on my webcam. Unfortunately, the lighting here is quite poor, so it's finding it difficult to recognize the image. All those things are factors, and it's taking some time even to run my program. The ML platform takes a lot of data, a lot of time, so it's possible. Okay, so you can see it has now turned on my webcam. So I'll try and get the models on my phone. Let's test the images. Okay, I think it's detecting it as a cancer. Okay, so basically that is how the ML platform works in Pictoblox. Thank you.